Butuh satu batu lagi loh. Nah. Let's go nah, let's go nah. Oke, siap.
Finally, we can use the same sand bowl that brought us down the first time. I want to get out of here.
Ya nak. Wih, mana kita? Di sini ada banyak banget ruangan. Bang Adrian pusing ini lihatnya. Bukan ke sini. Sini. Sini juga bukan. Berarti ke sini, guys.
Okay. Tricky. Very tricky.
Oh, buat buka chest di mana lagi? Oh, pusing Bang Adrian. Di mana sih tempatnya? Ntar Bang Adrian bingung, maksudnya itu kita harus kemana sih? Coba kita buka terus kita langsung lari ya. Oh itu loh. Nah, apa itu? Coba kita lihat. Nggak bisa. Maksudnya harus ngapain sih? What the? Gimana ya? Mandarin gak ngerti. Gimana cara nguncinya yang ini? Gak bisa loh. Apa ini, cu? NBS kapan? Abis ini Bang Zin. Bentar, ini teka-tekinya rumit banget ini. Maksudnya kayak gimana, Cok? Kita harus lempar itu. Tapi kalau kita ke sana, ternyata gini adik-adik. Goblok banget ya Bang Adrian. Jejak si gundul, asli jejak si gundul nih. Gila, kaget gua. Bantai nak. Ya dia hilang. Mana dia? Belakang, belakang. Kita mode Kratos dulu, guys. Anjing. Popeyus, Popeyus. Adik, siapa di sini yang tahu Popeyus adik-adik? Tidak kena deh. Enak saja kau ya menyerang saya. Oh enak, kau jangan diam aja lah, tembak dia. Aduh, anak gua gak berguna, guys. Tidak kena, bangku. Gua sikat lu ya. Ah, mati kau. Jake, Jake. Mati kau, Dek. Ntar gatal aja, kuping gua panas.
No, that can't be.
What did it say?
That we
Mati
made
lu kan.
a grave mistake.
Dapat apa gua? Woi, dapat upgrade, guys. Mantap, mantap, upgrade, upgrade.
We helped the wrong side?
I
Let me guess. You're gonna be smug and say you told me we shouldn't get involved.
Ntar, Bang Adrian,
That is a-
save dulu, save dulu, save dulu.
no.
Next.
Can we?
Do you
Baca, nah,
remember
baca,
the
baca, baca.
answer?
Yeah.
Anjay, anak kita berguna juga ya kalau disekat kayak gini.
Boy, read this. Boy, what's that say?
Only time you want to talk to me is when you need to.
Do you want to tell me something?
I
Dia
said
ngeledek
the
gua,
only
Cok.
time you care to talk to me is when you need me to translate for you. If Mom was
If
here,
your mother was still alive, we would not be here at all.
Anak gua ngedumel, guys,
Atreus.
disuruh-suruh baca mulu.
Fine.
Iyalah. gonna kita balik pulang. Tak. Bapak lupa jalannya kayaknya kesini deh.
So? Was she in the light?
Who?
You know.
Oh, she was not there.
Not like you would even care if she was.
Mind your tongue, boy! Until our
Waduh,
journey is
ada
over, one of us must remain focused.
pertentangan keluarga adik-adik. Ada pertentangan keluarga ya.
Mourn how you wish. Leave me to my own.
Sudahlah, ini bapak sama anak guys. Pada keras kepala dua-duanya cok.
I'm sorry. I didn't realize.
No. Why would you? Do not know my ways. I know it has not been easy.
Halo Bang Soboy.
In the light, I felt only moments pass. If that is of some comfort to you.
That's good to know. Really. So, should we go back to Midgard? Face the Black Breath? Or do you think there's more to see in this realm? So, what were you telling me about Mom's war?
She walked the warrior's path, but her war was to live on. To brave an unforgiving world alone.
And that's why she has Sindri and Brock to make her the axe?
She had the strength to wield such a weapon, and the wisdom to use it for good. She found
Salah jalan.
purpose in protecting the
Nanti lewat sini.
So, she'd help out the elves?
No.
You're back. I see you've been busy.
How
Ada
observant.
yang ngomong loh.
I am known for my attention to detail.
Si Brok cok.
You boys look like you're gearing up for There's an abandoned temple in Midgard that a fellow dwarf converted to his personal storeroom.
Gatal banget
Packed
anjing
it with all
gua.
sorts of treasures he collected during his travels throughout the realms.
Throughout the realms? Which ones did he go to? What did he collect?
Fafnir was a, shall we say, aggressive collector of magical artifacts. The more he acquired, the more he desired. There was no realm too dangerous, no realm... Huh.
Does this...
Yes, it does.
Neat.
You're very well...
Sorry.
Caution if you're heading to
Sorry,
the
sorry,
storeroom.
kepencet,
Last
Pak.
I was there, all
Gua mau
manner of
upgrade dong,
nastiness
Pak.
had taken up residence.
Won't your friend be upset if we steal all of his stuff?
Oh, no, not at all. He's dead. I think.
Oh, sorry.
No need to be sorry. These things happen when one travels
Chest
from realm
armor.
to realm, collecting priceless
Aduh, gak cukup
artifacts that
mulu
don't
gua.
belong to you.
Nah, ini cukup nih.
I don't suppose you could
Mantap.
try keeping that clean.
Ya, pada kagak cukup ini.
I think that's a good part. Happy to provide.
Thank you ya, Bang. Aduh, senang berbisnis dengan Anda ya, Bang. Let's go, nak. Salah.
Father, I have a confession to make. All those voices in my head, well, this wasn't the first time. Back when we met Brock, his animal warned me about something hiding in the trees. That's why she didn't run across.
She told you.
Well, I could just feel what she was feeling, but she was afraid of it.
It happens again. You tell me. Understand?
I promise.
Oh, ini nih rumahnya si Brok, Cok. Si Broknya kemana, Bang? Ah, si Broknya mana ya? Kagak ada dia. Halo guys, halo Putri Dewata. Weh, ada kakaknya Bang Asep. Halo, halo. Bagaimana kabarnya Kak Putri? Mau lihat Kak Asep Maba, mau lihat si Ustad live streaming lagi Kak? Besok ya, besok si Ustad streaming lagi Kak. Anjing, salah mencet gua.
I think that all the ROMs exist in the same space. One on top of the
Salah
other.
tempat, Cok.
It's like this room lets us
Ya,
travel
tahu
without moving.
aja. Besok ya, besok si Ustad live horror. Wait, thank you Kak Putri. Kak Putri kirim-kirim mawar adik-adik. Jangan lupa follow Kak Putri ya. Yang belum tahu Kak Putri itu kakaknya si Ustad adik-adik. Kakak tercinta si Ustad. Tad, sini in frame dulu Tad. Kita kasih si Ustad in frame. Tad, boro in frame Tad. Ini ada kakakmu Tad. Katanya kangen sama Bang Ustad. Sini masuk. Nah, ini si Ustad ya Kak.
Ini ya udah.
Anjay. Si Ustad lagi bucin Kak Putri.
Brock!
Nah, ini dia
We
si
just
Brok,
came back
Cok.
from another realm.
Gua cari-cari aja.
Wait, not that order.
Did you let that seed saw put hand to your blade? You do know that.
Teka tingali. Waduh, katanya gak ketingali Ustad.
You left him one day.
Katanya kebalikan deui, teka
Taking
tingali
me down
cenah.
with him. Did he botch up on her girl?
Quite the opposite.
Bang, racing kapak gua lagi dong, Bang. Bucin wae atau gitu tuh, katanya bucin wae kamu tuh. Nih si Ustad ya, Kak.
Yeah,
Ya,
leaving a blind
enggak.
pig farts up a truffle
Nih,
now and
gak jelas banget dia, Cok.
But you know
Dia
what really
malu-malu Kak Putri. Aduh, dia sedang
consists
video call, guys.
And I got that coming out of all.
Dia sedang video call syariah ya, Kak Putri.
What did you do?
It's better.
Buset, ngeracingnya cepat banget, Cok, si Brok.
Good.
Mantap.
Now when you're done gawking, I got a favor to...
What is it, dwarf?
There's this alchemist on Vari. Been working out in the Velander mines. Haven't heard from him in maybe, I don't know, 100 winters or so.
Asal nggak ada.
Probably dead, but maybe you can find him. He's dwarfing like me. Where's the...
If it is all
All right.
Thank you ya, Bro. Let's go, nak. Kita selesaikan misi dulu, nak. Kita udah balik
do
lagi
you
ke gunung,
remember
cuy.
the way back to the Black Breath?
Of course.
Mana
We need to
jalannya?
walk
Lupa
across
lagi.
the bridge to the Vanaheim Tower. Are we going to the Black Breath
Bawah kan?
or exploring? Your choice.
Thank you ya Kak Putri. Mantap, sehat selalu buat Kak Putri adik-adik.
I wish we could have gone on a trip like this with Mother. She could fight, couldn't she?
Yes. She fought beautifully.
Kok kita malah muter-muter di sini?
I wonder if the World Serpent even knows part of his body's lying over here.
Nah, ini sebelah. Padahal kita ambil jalan itu aja, Cok, biar cepat. Jalan kiri tadi. Sing sarehat didinya ya, mau lanjut kerja lagi nih. Siap, sehat selalu di sana juga ya Kak Putri. Sing semangat kerjanya, semoga tahun ini kembali alfat ya Kak Putri.
What kind of story?
I don't know. Mother always had stories. Weren't you told me when you were a boy?
There was a man I knew of long ago. His stories were brief and purposeful.
Sounds
Panas banget, Cok.
fun. Do you remember any?
We will continue another time.
Good.
Ntar gimana ini cara bukanya? Kita tidak bisa lewatin gimana, Cok? Maksudnya oh, kita harus ke atas. Oke, mungkin buat Good Over part ketiga kita sudahi cukup sampai di sini dulu ya adik-adik. Besok jangan lupa ada si Ustadz live horror lagi bersama Bang Asage ya. Ada Bang Rifki, Bang Ustadz sama Bang Asage adik-adik. Jangan lupa kalian tonton ya. Oke, see you next time adik-adik. Bye bye.